in that gym. We can go wash some change the rings on him. I done got rich, but I'm still with the shit land in London and go to the end.
What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching from me, guys? In a while. This is a trading assembly, and you know how we do it. You know how we do it. We'll be moving the markets every night. So mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Tell me, how has your day been? How have you spent your day? It's a fresh week. Yeah, tell me, how has your day been? Did you look at your charts today, traders? Did you look at your charts today? Yeah, I am trading binary option, and we are looking at gold OTC chart. So let's see how it goes. Let us see how it goes. But tell me, how has your day gone? My day has been beautiful. I had a good day. I always have good days. But of course, I looked at my charts in my market analysis, because you know, as a trader, there are no day offs. Every day we are looking at the charts. We don't want to miss out on anything. So let's see if we can get any moves. Lace you up just to watch you run. Oh, I'm loving this momentum, guys. Look at this momentum. Buyers have done this well, and our first entry, they are already moving well. I bet you start loving me. Soon as you start loving someone else, somebody better than you, I start needing me. Let us see if we can get any more entries. Tell me, guys, how has your day been? I mean, is it that day where you just took some time off? Actually, I love Sundays because, I mean, they're the best time if you are not trading weekends. They are the best days you can be doing some market analysis, so that Monday starts when you already know what to look out for in the charts. We all know trading is a skill that you build over time. So the more you're consistent in the market, the better things are gonna be moving for you. That was just something that I wouldn't do, babe. No. I mean, I would stay if you could tell the truth, but you can't. No matter how much time I ask. Is that your bitch over there? Your bitch over there. The ugly shit. Yeah. One with the silicone ass and the Brazilian hair. You ain't gonna respect me, no, till I'm not there. See, I got you comfortable now, you ain't really scared. I bet you start loving me. Soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than me, I bet you start needing me. Mason, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Chance Traders, good to have you. Riley, good to see ya. Zillion Traders, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Tell me, how's your day been? I really had a good day, but it's always best when I look at the charts. We all know no risk, no Ferrari. So showing up is a must if you wanna get these things. So days when I'm looking at these charts, I'd be so excited. Honestly, trading gives me joy. And I'm so glad I'm fully locked in. Someone comment locked in if you're fully locked in with me. Okay, it's like we are getting into a market shift. So let us watch and see. Let us watch and see if that's what is going to happen. You ain't gonna respect me, no, tonight. See, I got you comfortable now, you ain't really scared. I bet you start loving me. Soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than you, I bet you start needing me. Soon as you see me with someone else, somebody other. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn as much as catch up as traders. So feel free to ask any trading question. I am trading binary options, and currently I am on gold OTC chart. So let's see how it goes. Let us see how it's looking in for us. I was anticipating sellers, but seems like buyers are more strong right now. So let us watch out and see. My strategy is simple, pure price action. And with pure price action, we are looking at first understanding the market condition you're dealing with. You have to know the market condition you're dealing with. Are you in a bullish market? Are you in a bearish market? Are you in a sideways market? We all know the kind of market you're dealing with. It's going to influence your entries and exits. The next thing I always look out for it is break of structure. And when it comes to market structure, we are looking at the strong highs and the strong lows. You also look at the structure break, and with structure break, we're looking at candle closing either above or below, depending on the kind of the market you're dealing with. Oh my god, you guys are interesting. You guys are interesting. All right. I mean, somebody said I'm moving on a high speed, so let me slow down. Let me slow down. But feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Feel free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn and share. I mean, that's why we are moving. Soon as I start loving someone else, somebody better than me, I bet you start needing me. Raphael, good to see ya. Good to see you all, guys. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? And tell me, how have you spent your day today? How have you spent your day today? Lucky, good to see ya. Can't get that over me. No, not me. I love you, but I won't be a fool for you. Call me a fool. That is just something that I wouldn't do, babe. No. I mean, I would say if you could tell the truth. Okay, let's move. Let's see if we can get any more entries. But like guys, I was saying, when it comes to market structure, we are looking at candle close. You want to see a candle closing above. If you are in an uptrend, that is how you see a valid market structure. And when you are in a bearish market, you want to see a candle closing below the structure break. That's how you see. That's how you know valid market structure. If you're a pure price action trader, seeing those valid points when you're trading, it's going to make your entries more refined. It's gonna make your entries more refined. So whenever you're looking at the charts, you have to consider those things. You do not just look at market structure with just wicks breaking. You want to see the market and seeing the candle closure. The other thing we always look out for whenever we are trading with price action is candlestick patterns. We all know candlestick patterns. There are very many candlestick patterns. Personally, I focus on looking at engulfing candlestick patterns, pin bars, and inside bars. Both can be used as reversal moves at the same time as continuation moves. It all depends on where you're seeing them in the market. And with market structure as our other confluence is where we are going to be seeing key areas on the chart. Oh my god. Traders being taken out and buyers are still strong. Let's see if we can get another entry. Make you horny. Hey. So guys, we all know when it comes to candlestick pattern, you can use a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern as a reversal. When you are in a downtrend, the market breaks structure. The market breaks structure. We all know after a break of structure, we anticipate a pullback. So if you are in a bearish market and you spot a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern happening after a break of structure, that can be a signal to tell you buyers are going to offer us a pullback. And the opposite is true for an uptrend. If you see a bearish candlestick pattern formed in an uptrend after a break of structure, that is a sign that you start anticipating pullbacks. That is how you can use bullish candlestick. That's how you can use engulfing candlestick patterns as reversal entries. And to use them as continuation patterns, it is simple. You're going to look at if you are in an uptrend and the market has just broke off structure, given you a pullback. That pullback does not take out the most recent low for an uptrend, but after that it forms a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. That can be a signal that the market is getting back to its original trend, so you can start looking forward to trading buys in that case. The opposite is true for a bearish market. If you want to use a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern as a continuation entry, you're going to apply it when the market has breakout structure, given you a bullish pullback. Then the market pulls back but fails to take out the most recent high. In that case, it offers you a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. That is a sign that the market is getting back into a continuation, and it is getting, you can use it as an entry to cruise again with the original trend, which is the bearish market. That's how you can apply both engulfing candlestick patterns as reversal and continuations. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. So the other candlestick pattern I love trading with are pin bars. We all know pin bars are rejection candlestick patterns. So when you see a pin bar on the charts, it's a sign that the price is being rejected. But they work best if you're seeing them in key areas. Whenever you're trading as a trader, you have to always look at key areas. We all know candlestick charts. We are looking at a candlestick chart. So every candle that is being printed on the charts, it doesn't mean that it's going to make sense. The ones that really make sense and the ones you can capitalize on to make entries are the patterns you see in key areas. And as a price action trader, our key areas, we are looking at the highs and the lows in the market. And the highs and the lows we are looking at are the strong enough that made a difference. Not every high or low in the market really made sense. We are looking at patterns. We are looking at the highs that made a difference. I mean, if I'm in a bearish market, I want to see the strong high that pushed the market down and led to a break of structure. So after knowing that those are your key areas, so in those key areas, you're going to look for your pin bar. You're going to look for either your bullish or bearish pin bar. You're going to look for a bullish pin bar in a bearish market and use it as your reversal entry. This happens, the market has just broke structure to the downside. After breaking structure to the downside, we are anticipating a bullish pullback. So that bullish pullback, you can only start anticipating it if you see a bullish pin back candle, and it is more valid if it's followed by another bullish candle and it closes above it. That is a very strong move. Whenever you see it in the market, don't hesitate to take that pullback entry. Don't hesitate to take that pullback entry. And the opposite is true for bullish market. You're going to wait for the break of structure to the top side. Then the market gives you a bearish candle. The market gives you a bearish candle. Then with that bearish candle, it's going to, if it's followed by another bearish big candle, that is more confirmation, and you don't hesitate to execute that pullback entry. from there, because the market has already showed you this level is rejected by sellers, and it's followed by a big momentum candle. That is another sign of showing you their strength in that zone. Who are you to who are you not to cruise with them? So guys, that's how you can apply candlestick patterns with trading. As you can, that's how you can use candlestick patterns when you're making entry decisions. I mean, that's how I be doing it here, and you'll be seeing. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. Ask any trading question, don't hesitate. I am the one for you. That's how we be moving. Destiny, you're seeing that because of YouTube time lag. While you're here, focus on learning. Focus on learning. Don't focus on trading with me. And you're free to ask any trading question.
I don't worry about nothing. I am wearing a nada.
I'm sitting pretty.
Impatient, but I know you gotta put in them.
So let's keep moving. Oh my god.
I'm
Damn.
sending pick after picture.
Sellers, I want to do something here. Let us see if we can get another move.
Always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, 'cause baby, you're the boss at home. You gotta go to work, but you gotta go to work.
Good to see you all. Good to see you all. Good to see you all. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. This is a very good move port here. Let's see if we can get another entry. My bias at this rate is still bearish, unless I really see buyers giving me better structure. Yeah, unless I see buyers taking out the most recent high and I see a candle closing above that. So if I don't see that, I'm still anticipating more sellers in the market. So let us watch out and see.
I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone.
That's why it's always nice, guys, to know the market you're dealing with, in that even when you just take a pullback entry, you can easily tell the market is just pulling back. You anticipate it to stop at a certain level, and you expect it to reverse or to go back in its continuation. So as a pure price action trader, knowing the market condition you're dealing with is going to help you know when to stop taking certain trades and when to be very sure to take certain entries. Zillion, good to see ya. Khalifa, good to see ya. Pen, Paul, hey girls. Guys, don't come for me if I fail to read the names. I love you so much. Okay, this is a pullback entry, guys. This is a pullback entry. Like I told you, I'm still anticipating a bearish market. But whenever you are in a bearish market, you don't hesitate to also execute pullback entries, opportunities. If you spot a market opportunity, don't hesitate to execute. We all know that. You don't hesitate to execute. Anna, good to see you. Mac Jr., good to have you. Kenny, good to see you. Good to see you all traders in the building. Continue marking your attendance. Where are you watching me from? So this is a continuation entry. This is a continuation entry that guys I'm always telling you. If you understand the market condition you are in, it's gonna be easier for you to trade, to know when to take a continuation move and to know when to take a pullback move. And as a trader, that's what it should be going on in your mind. As long as you're looking at the charts, you're first understanding what market am I dealing with. You want to understand if I'm in a bearish market, is market structure confirming it is bearish? We see bearish markets. Damn. my entry has been invalidated, but sellers are still strong. So let's see if we can get any more. So after understanding the market condition you're in, you confirm structure. It is structure that is going to confirm that yes, I'm looking at a bullish or bearish market, and with a bearish market, yeah, someone is saying it's a bearish market. Of course, structure has been taking out the most recent lows, and when we get a pullback, highs are maintained. That is a valid bearish market. So if you are in a valid bearish market, you have two options to look out for: a selling trade, that is a continuation entry, or to take a pullback entry, and that is you're gonna be buying a bearish market. Beginners, I advise you to focus on first learning continuation entries. If you are in a trendy market, they are gonna be easier for you to trade, and most of the time continuation entries they work out. So let us first take another sell trade here. We are just continuing with the trend. We are not fighting it. We are just respecting it, guys. And I'm already seeing some good movements. So let's see how it goes. Locked in. Alexander, good to see you. Kazhe, good to see you. Chansa, good to see ya. Jerome. Yeah, good to have you all traders in the building. Honestly, gold is onto something. We have been selling for some time. Market has been giving us sales for some time. I'm starting to see some buyers, but still my bias is still bearish, guys. My bias is still bearish unless buyers give us some strong structure. Tell them what we do. Hey. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, that was really close. Buyers were coming for us there. But glad our entry has closed in a plus. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. Yeah, I am trading with price action. That is my strategy. So feel free to ask any trading question. We're here to learn. We're here to learn. I keep a stack of hundreds, I can keep a secret. If anything, you was just poor, you wasn't cheating. She got my number stored under fake names. Her nigga think she faithful, but she run the game. Your life, so take me out these pull-ups, and we can fuck from Uno to Ocho. Only if you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion, girl. I guess there must be you. Body like a summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them, you ain't need. Don't tell them, you ain't need. You ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, you ain't need. Don't tell them, you ain't need. You ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them. Guys, the incut I'm using, it's Keltina channel, and I'm using it with its default settings. Yeah, I have to also tell you, my entries are not only based on the indicator. I use the indicator with price action just to get more confirmations, and I make entries when I have a certain level of what the market is up to. How do you know the market is bullish and bearish? Hey, Joel, good to have you. Oh my god, what happened here? Okay, let us watch out for another move. The easiest way you can tell a bearish and bullish market, this is not mechanical. It is just how you just look at your charts. For bullish market, it is just going up, like it keeps on going up. For bearish market, it keeps going down. Yeah, there isn't so much. If you're just to analyze the market based on that, you shouldn't complicate things, guys. That is the easiest way you can look at the market by that. But to add in a more mechanical understanding as a trader, because now what I've just said, I believe it's just anyone that can see. But now, as a trader, for a bullish market, you want to see the market going up, but continuously taking out the highs and maintaining the lows. That is now valid. You're looking at the bullish market in terms of structure. It is making series of higher highs and higher lows. It moves up, takes out a high, moves down, but doesn't take out the low. Then it gets back into a continuation. Yeah, I'm just still watching up. Oh my god. Okay, we're having movements in my direction. Damn. Honestly, I don't like entries that are taken out by low momentum. And that's what is happening here. A lot of indecision. So to spot a bearish market, you want to see the market moving down, but it's moving in structure of lower highs and lower lows. So for bearish market, you want to see the market continuously taking out the lows and maintaining the highs, because the highs are strong enough to push the market down to take out the low and create a new high. That's how you can differentiate bearish and bullish market. Then a sideways market, it is when the market picks out a particular zone and it is bouncing up and down in between that zone. That is the hardest market to trade. And if you are a beginner, if you are in such a market condition, I would advise you to stay out. Yeah, I would advise you to stay out, or you can check out another chart to see if it's moving. Yeah, stay away from sideways markets. I believe when I was just starting out to trade, most of my losses they came from honestly sideways markets. They are so good with trapping traders. Yeah, and very, very much frustrating. But at this level, I can trade a sideways market, and the easiest way you can trade a sideways market, it is simple. You make sure you are buying the lowest point of the zone, and you're selling the topmost point of that zone. Like I said, sideways markets, they are bouncing in between a particular zone. It's not a straight line, but you can easily tell that this market is bouncing in this zone. So you want to also trade, you buy the top of that zone and you sell at the bottom of that zone. That is the easiest way you can trade. Of course, you apply some level of understanding candlestick patterns. You're not going to buy on a selling candle. You see two selling candles have closed and you buy. You want to see, yes, I'm buying this zone, but buyers are still present in that zone. They are giving you candlestick pattern. They are showing you candlestick patterns. You can still enter on. The key to trading with price action, you have to also understand in candlestick patterns how they are closing. You cannot be seeing two red candles are closing in the zone and you say, because you said that they said you buy the bottom of the zone and you buy on that particular move. You'd also want to buy still at that zone, but you're seeing two green candles closing big enough. I mean, you have to be mechanical when it comes to trading, especially when you're picking out your entry moves. So that's why patience is really important whenever you're trading. You'd want to see a particular move happening. You wait for it. If you're not seeing it, please, if you're not seeing what you're looking for, wait, be patient, because most patient traders are the most profitable traders, I can tell you. You wait for the market to act up and you get in. Sometimes early entries they can take you out. You are right, but you got in early. We're not patient enough to wait for the move to happen. Same way, and just because you're patient, that doesn't mean you can also get moves. Sometimes you can see the moves that you hesitate to take. You're waiting for more confirmation. So you have to be really looking at the market and you're reading it and you're understanding it. You have to be patient, but you have to also understand the moves you're waiting for, so that when you see it, you don't hesitate to execute. You have to have a balance of between patience and execution time.
Go, Breeze.
Katie.
Mark, good to see ya. Inesora, good to see ya.
Never let a nigga fuck you over more than one. Two, anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow she your enemy. Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Say no business, if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Bet that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on anything. Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it.
And you better look fucking good when you do
know
it.
how to move out here, you know this shit get ugly. I had a bitch do me the dirtiest to claim to love me. I went through hella shit.
Okay, Rafael is saying, I realized that it's a sideways market when it's too late. Come on. How do you realize it's a sideways market when it's too late?
That's why it's always best to choose the one that's real and loyal. Cause money come and go, but it's some shit
Oh my god. But to be honest, if you are just starting out to trade, if you have not yet mastered out trading trending markets, stay away from sideways markets. And the easiest way I can stay away from a sideways market, I mean, if gold, I'm on gold OTC chart, if I see it is in a sideways market, I'm going to check out Brent and see if it is moving the way I anticipate to move. Because honestly, trading sideways market is crazy. It needs a lot of focus and a lot of understanding of candlestick patterns. So if you're starting out, please first focus on learning how to trade trading markets.
Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it.
And you better look fucking good when you do it. Okay. You guys are crazy. Someone is saying they want to be like you. Oh my god. I am 35, but I want to be like you when I grow up. I mean, trading, when it comes to trading, I don't think age matters. It is not about the age when it comes to trading. It's about how much you're fully locked in. Yeah, it's how much you fully lock in. That's determined. So I understand you. And actually, if you have been a trader for some time and you feel like the markets are not really moving well for you, all you have to do is to lock in. All you have to do is to give yourself about 6 months and you you fully lock in. Someone comment locked in, guys. Someone comment locked in. If you are seeing me for the first time today, you can start locking in now. And believe me, if you're consistently showing up every day, it's gonna be different. Guys, I told you I was a trader, but I met someone who joined trading after me and they were already profitable. And from that, actually, that was the strongest reason why I locked in. I kept on calling myself a beginner trader until I met someone who joined trading after me and they were already profitable. Then I just knew I am the problem. And what really changed, I had to fully lock in. By that, I mean being consistent. Be consistent even when it's not making sense to you. Just show up. Just show up. Look, understand the market's condition. The next day, look for structure. The next day, look for candlestick patterns. Keep on that. You can start with just understanding one, and after you join them together, you be like, today I'm just going to check out my entire strategy. But the previous days, you are just looking forward to trading with one thing or practicing one thing over and over again. And to be honest, also understanding market structure, valid market structure really made so much difference for me as a trader. Yeah, understanding valid market structure made a very big difference for me as a trader. And if you're really planning to trade with price action or any other strategy, try to understand valid market structure, because market structure is showing you turning points in the market. So if you can easily tell those strong turning points in the market, you can trade based on that. Just anticipating the market to take out a high, anticipating the market to take out a low. I don't want to see buyers, sellers. Okay, nice. This is nice. Hey. Hey. Okay. I don't understand market structure. I think it's really confusing. Of course, even me when I was starting out to trade, I didn't know that. That's why I emphasize the point of valid market structure. You can easily tell highs and lows in the market, but valid structure, it is when it is being able to tell the difference of the valid high. It is being able to tell the difference between valid highs and valid lows. That is it. And you can focus on that by looking out at a strong point that pushed the market up to make a difference, and the low that pushed the market, the high that pushed the market down to make a difference for bearish market. If you can easily tell that, guys, we are good to go. Yeah. So traders, feel free to ask any trading question. You're locked in for life, as it should be. We have to be fully locked in. Fully locked in. Gary Williams, good to see ya. Okay, let's see if we can get any move.
Yeah, man, in a life, man.
Go on with it.
Go on with it.
Yo, Izzy, are you kidding me?
Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks and we need it most. We have to give thanks and we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all of my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earnings, and God for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall by my right hand. Pass that was for the friends, but take off the load. One time, sit down in a class and we course.
Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn.
And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit, say a thing. Yeah, see me all biggie soon, get the higher ring. Like hello, proton. Say I to shut ya. Saw your poster, spectacular.
Let us see how these sales are closing. I'm expecting sellers to go down, so let's see how it goes. Oh my God, buyers, what are you up to? But that was the difference.
But I got the Lord one time. Sit down in a class and pour them all. He said, go on with it. Just show our blessings upon me. And send me to tell them the story. Just show our blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the love. Breathe, I'm delighted. You know, some person ignited. Cause the music me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life and but thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall by my right hand.
Okay, seems like we're getting into a bullish market. Let us keep watching. Understanding the market condition you're dealing with is the easiest way you can really move as a price action trader. Yeah, we give thanks we need. The platform I'm using, there's a link down in the description for it. Pocket option. Tech Wizard, good to see ya. Let's trade, girl. Grind. Of course, guys. We all know no risk, no Ferrari. So we have to keep on grinding. The grind has to move. You have to keep on grinding. Yeah, actually, sometimes those are the motivations I have to trade, honestly. Yeah, sometimes that's all I have to do. To know no risk, no Ferrari. I just get up and I get on my setup.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa. break a nigga into pieces. Had to X some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All the little ass clothes only fit fake booties.
Hey.
Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bagged him. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid.
Hey, guys, our queue is already up for the donation. Someone comment ready. If you're ready for donations, let me see you comment ready, because in a few we are gonna get into them. Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready, because in a few we are getting into the donation.
I need a mop to clean the floor. It's too much drip. I keep a knot, I keep a watch, I keep a whip. Let's play a game. Simon says I'm still that bitch. Ay, I'm still that bitch. Yeah, I'm a savage. Yeah, classy.
You have to, of course. That's why we are fully locked in. You have to be getting this live. Like guys, I told you the other thing where I joined trading, because I love trading for the financial freedom it gives you and the freedom of time. I mean, you can really trade anywhere, anytime. And the fact that if you're trading with personal reasons, you have no one asking you why you're late or early, why you're doing it at this time, because it's you doing it for you. So that's the bit about trading. Okay, we are done securing our profits. So let us get to our first participant.
Niggas say I taste like sugar, but ain't shit sweet.
Okay, we are ready for our first participants. Wishing luck to all our participants tonight. So let's get 2 moves for Paxley. Paxley. It's a beautiful name. It's a beautiful name. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link down in the description for it for anyone who wants. And anyone who wants to be part of the donations, it is simple. There's a link down in the donation link down in the description. Yeah, you can use that and you join the participants for tonight. Just 2 attempts. Raphael, of course, will leave us. Yeah, and we are gonna leave fully locked in as long as the markets are still open, guys. We all know that on this trading assembly, we look forward to be full-time traders as long as the markets are still opening for decades, for years, and all that. So all you have to do is to lock in on the trading assembly. Hey. Hey, this market is bullish. You can see. Why am I saying bullish? It is continuously giving us new highs, pulling back, creating new lows, and giving us a new highs. That's how you know a bullish market. Bullish market doesn't entirely mean that you're going to be seeing green candles only. Of course, the market, we have 2 participants, sellers and buyers. So on the charts, you will see sellers coming up, even in a bullish market. Because probably someone is selling at that level, but buyers are just stronger than them. Are you seeing this, guys? Our first attempt is already locking in. Hey, just another one to go. Okay, feel free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn as we are locking in another attempt. as you're locking in another attempt. You have to patiently wait for it.
When I need motivation, my one solution is my queen, cause she stays strong. Yeah, yeah. She is always in my corner, right there when I wanna. All these other girls are tempting, but I'm empty when you're gone. And they say, do you need me? Do you think I'm pretend? Do I make you feel like cheating? I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. She walks like a model. She grants my wishes like a genie in a bottle. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I'm the wizard.
MC Trades, Ninja, Molo Traders, Derry, good to see ya. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. Okay, let us first get these buys here and see how it goes. Wow, we already have one candle closing above our entry. This is a good sign. Actually, guys, whenever I execute a trade and I see two candles closing above or below my entry, that's a very good sign that it's most likely to work out. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to Paxley, Mason, Big Tommy, biggest Tommy. Good to see ya. And you know how we do it, guys. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant for tonight, guys. Type congratulations. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants' account right away. Myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl. I'd rather lie than confuse you, girl. Truth is we laugh and they want us gone. Truth is they can't handle me at the top. I'd rather spare you the details, my love. Oh, I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie. I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie. On 2 hour next, participant, just 2 attempts to go. She wanna beg and I get that. She tryna leave, tell me she so that she leave. She wanna I'm on her beam, just getting me She get right back and we boo. I just top because I'm in no proof. And the pounds I'm having on you. So she fucking with me. Oh, you know I lie to you, then lose and break your heart. I already tell you a lie and tell you the truth and you start. How you gonna take it this far? Baby, know that you fuck with a star. Baby, know that you fuck with a star. I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl. I'd rather lie than confuse you, girl. Truth is we laugh and they want us gone. Truth is they can't handle me at the top. I'd rather spare you the details, my Oh my god. Oh, what? I'd rather lie than lose you. Oh my god. Guys, you know how we do it. If I take a loss on the first attempt, I try again. I refund and try again. So let us do that. That was crazy. That was crazy.
I took a pennies of offer. Opposites always a try. I get and get mad. But I want you back. If you wanna make up, I'ma just tell you that this too long. Get my kidney, bitch, filled up. You mind I'm spinning. I'm out to lean. Might send it time. I can even stay up. Wrist in the freezer. I'ma contract cause you mine. I'ma play like I'm behind you. All that ass on me bite that. Give you my car so you swipe that.
Guys, really on the stream, focus on asking trading questions. Because of the YouTube time lag, you cannot really follow my trades. Because of that time lag, focus on asking trading questions. You are here to learn.
I'd rather lie than confuse you, girl. Truth is we laugh and they want us gone. Truth is they can't handle me at the top.
Okay, let us try again. Let us try again.
Oh, I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie. I'd rather lie than lose you. I'd rather lie. I'd rather lie than lose you.
Okay, we try again. And I'm already loving this. Sellers are coming in big. I don't want to look at any green candle in my zone.
I never wanna see you so bad.
First attempt is in. Two more to go.
She like it when I rub on her head. She like it when I rub on her back. Baby, don't stop that. She says she wanna get a little dirty. Yeah, she rub on my chest. Shorty start to give me sloppy. She make a man confess. She make a man go. I'm all amour.
Just one attempt to go. So let's see if we can get it. Guys, I'm really onto something here. Guys, my candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds.
Red Bull and Dogo Yaro. For tonight, Royal Rumble. This one a Ogo Logo. And a booty go, Ibro Godo. She knows say I be strong man, so I know need any go like Shorty boogie down, boogie down, push me to the limit, so I go shout, hold me down, hold me down. This one no be matter where I go chop you clean out. How many, da. She dey bounce on my team with my song for background. I dey give her new style, she say wow. When I start to go too deep, she say ouch. She about to tell me ow.
Guys, this is our second attempt and it's a bullish market, so I'm expecting more buyers coming up. So let us watch out. Oh my god, damn. Sorry about that. Our third attempt has been invalidated. Damn. Hey, sellers seem to want market control. So let us watch out and see if the restructure is going to completely shift bearish. You all know with price action, market structure is king. So understanding where the market is most likely to head based on structure, it's gonna give you a more refined edge. if you are able to tell that. Okay, but you can always do that when you're patiently waiting, when you're patiently waiting to understand them, to watch the market. So as a trader, being patient is really important. Yeah, I saw someone talking about how they realize a sideways market when they are already trapped in trades. Yeah, but also focusing on being patient to understand structure is important as a trader, especially guys if you're starting out to trade. You can really start with focusing on understanding more about the market than really executing entries. It's better you execute 10 right entries than to execute 50 entries and only 5 are fully locking in. It's not all about the number of trades, it's also about taking entries. It's also about waiting for entries that you really know they are in line with your strategy. That's how you become a better trader. Patience really plays a big role for any trader. You wait for a candle closing. You don't see a green candle, you execute buys because a candle can open when it is bullish but it closes when it is red. So you have to know all those things, guys. All right, one attempt. Hey, let me see type congratulations, guys. Let me see type congratulations to Philly. Kane, you're welcome. I mean, guys, that's why we are always here. We are here to learn. I learn from fellow traders, so I don't mind sharing my trading experience and all the tips that I know, and I'll continue sharing them here. Anything we are locking in, we have to share it. I mean, you guys are already locked in with me. Okay, you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Let me see type more congratulations, guys. Let me see more congratulations. Let me see more congratulations to Finley. Joshua, good to see ya. Moji29966, good to see ya. This is a trading assembly, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. White story. On to our next. Honestly, locking in plus entries, there's a joy it brings your heart as a trader. Okay, let's get another move. Give me space, give me room, give me liquor breeze now, Jesus. I want make you feel so. So me keep it tight and me ever clean so. Want me did want, tell me never need ya. This enough for people know keep it on a deal. But you ain't feeling done with nobody. I pray one day somebody give you company. This is a bearish market, guys, and it is really strong. Yeah, it is really strong based on how I see it. Few buying candles and bigger selling candles. That is a sign of the trend being strong. Sellers are really onto something. Here we can see some green candles. Guys, this is my first year in trading, but since we are all fully locked in, I mean, we look forward to having more years in trading as long as the markets are running on this trading assembly. So all you have to do is to lock in hammering. But I'm taking a pullback entry here, guys, but my bias is still bearish until buyers move up and take out the most recent high in a bearish market. That's when you start thinking the market is shifting bullish, but it can pull back as much as it wants as long as it has not taken out the high. Still a bearish market. Oh my damn, this was supposed to be a continuation entry. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm sorry about that. I was still anticipating more sellers in the market, but buyers have taken us out. Oh my god.
2 inches to the left, nephew. All right, hold on. I think I got it. But we need to get it cracking out here. And I really need something to calm me down so I can get this right. You know? Man, I totally agree. So look, I'm gonna call a couple of homeboys up, some homegirls. Yeah, let's get back together and make this thing pop. That's a great idea. And later on as a treat, let's show them our movie. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. This is groovy like a drive-in movie. And then we're gonna smoke a doobie, and hopefully some chicks will show their booties. All right. I'll meet you in a second. Yeah, but you.
Okay, let us move on to our
There you
next.
go. Oh yeah. Follow through, baby.
So what, we get drunk, so what, we smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees, so what, we go out, that's how it's supposed to be.
Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. My strategy is simple. My strategy is simple. It is pure price action. So let us see if we can get another move. 4 attempts for Novelli. I saw someone asking me how many attempts can I do for a participant. Guys, it is you to pick the number of attempts you want. If you want a 5, of course I'm gonna keep going until 5. So Novelli picked 4.
So what, we smoke weed,
We're just having fun.
we don't care who sees. So what, we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. And I don't even care, cause if me and my team
Thanks,
gonna be some
thank
weed in
you.
the air.
Wesley, good to see ya. Manish, good to have you. Investor Gospel, good to see you. I'm okay. I had a beautiful day, guys, by the way. I had a beautiful birthday.
Now I'm chilling fresh.
Yeah, I love weekends. I get to spend some time with family on weekends.
No children, had the SAS project.
Then weekdays I'm fully locked in. So today I was chilling with friends. And guys, one thing I can tell you, I love hanging out with fellow traders. It's the best thing. Because you all know when you're talking about trading moves and all that, it's the best thing to do so. Actually, some of the friends I was hanging out today with, they are fellow traders. They share their tips with me. You know, that's the beauty about having a trading community. And there's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join fellow traders. If you're a trader and you really have fellow traders around, you get to know that actually the things that are happening to you in trading, they are not only happening to you, and you can easily share something that is really disturbing you and someone helps you out. So feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn and also share experiences as traders. Alright, let us look in our next attempt. I love a moving market. I love a moving market, to be honest. So let's see if we can get a move. This is our second attempt, and I'm already seeing it's giving me hope. Two candles are closing above my entry. Hey, second attempt is fully locked in a plus. So 2 more to go. My favorites. All right, thank you, Manish. Caesar, good to see you.
You say you got a girl. You want me, you got a girl. Feeling this reckless of knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate, getting all in your love, falling all over love. I do it till it's last.
Let us cruise with this selling momentum, guys. This is our third attempt, and we'll be left with 1 to go. Oh my god, where did this green candle come from? Damn! Oh my god. I'm sorry about that. Our third attempt is taken out. That was really close to us.
Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep them satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5.
That was a crazy move from sellers. And the market is still bearish, guys. So let's see if we can get some moves. The moment the market breaks structure and you see a candle closing below the structure break for bearish markets, that's when you know the structure break is valid. If you just see a wick, then the candle body closes above that, don't consider that a structure break. That is the rule to trading. That is the rule to understanding market structure and the part of break of structure. It has to be a candle closing with its entire body either below for bearish market or above for bullish market.
My man is your man, her, that's her man. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep them satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. Make her lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, then just send him my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend.
All right, let's keep moving. You take crazy Thursday.
Yeah. Classic. Back then when I was a new youngin', Shawty, you were trying to run on me. I've been going on my own. I've been doing things I know. The day when you running right back.
Guys, whenever you are on your execution time frame,
so one life to tell me one
Whenever you're on your execution time frame, remember trends don't last longer. Normally, lower time frames, they're just offering you short trends to facilitate moves that are happening on a higher time frame. For example, if my current chart is trending and I look on a 3-minute time frame, it could just be a pullback. So that is the mindset you should always be trading with. You don't linger on a particular trade when you're on a lower time frame. The market keeps on changing to facilitate pullbacks and continuation. Market structure is king, and on a higher time frame, it's more. Market structure is more valid on a higher time frame. And in just lower time frames are facilitating movements that are happening on a higher time frame. What you see as a trend on a lower time frame could just be just a pullback on a higher time frame. So whenever you're trading with pure price action and you're a person who loves doing time frame market analysis, that is the key rule of understanding both higher time frames and lower time frames and relating to them.
No more damages now. Said, tell me what you need from me now. Don't know where I need to be now, cause I'm done with you now. No more damages, no. Tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be now, cause I'm done with you now. No more damages now. Said, tell me what you need from me now. I know what you need to be.
Okay, buyers are giving us some great momentum here, guys. Are you seeing this? Okay, let me see you type congratulations to Beckley. Congratulations to Beckley, guys. We have hit our target, and you know how we do it here, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Open your eyes, baby. Tycoon Trader, good to see ya. Katha, good to see ya. Michael, good to have you. Leslie, there's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, guys. Okay. I see Tycoon and I see another Tycoon. Good to have you all, guys. Let me see you type congratulations to our participants. Patek, good to see ya. Hey, man. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Patek, good to have you. Please don't spam comments. Guys, let us move on to our next.
I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Only point two just to hurt you. All red lamp just to tease you. None of these toys on lease to. Made your whole year in a week too. Main bitch out of your league too. Side bitch out of your league too. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks a table, call for nothing.
We go on to our next participant, Marisol.
You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, like to Kenny Lane. Switch on my core, if I kill any pain.
There is someone comment ready if you're ready for the new week. And on Sundays, it's the best day. If you don't have a trading plan, you can create one. And the things you can include in your trading plan are your targets, your entry models, how to react when the day goes well for you, how to react when the day has gone against you, how you're going to be taking your entries, how much are you going to be risking, what are the things you're going to be waiting for whenever you're gonna execute. If you include all those things in your trading plan and every day you're gonna start a trading session, you look at that, it's going to rewire your mind to remember it when you're trading. So Sundays are the best day to be preparing for all that, and you try to follow it because that's how you build discipline in trading. If you're looking forward to having better discipline when it comes to trading, yeah, a trading plan can also be one way you can try. Hey.
I'm a motherfucking star boy. Let a nigga bracket, legend of the fall, took the year like a bandit. Pop mama a crib and a brand new wagon. Now she hit the grocery shop looking lavish. Star Trek groove and I rate the con. Girls get loose when they hear the song. 100 on the dash, get me close to God.
Second item is we're going home.
House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks of table come from ebony. Cut that iron into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, but I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. Switch on my car if I kill any pain. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Look what you done.
Guys, this is the trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. I am trading binary options. We are on donations, and if you want to be part of the participants, it is simple. Use the donation link down in the description. And follow up from there. I'm a motherfucking star boy.
What's that on that beat?
We all that you got now. Make you want me 'cause I'm hot now.
Let's see how this goes. This is a pullback move, guys. You've been seeing the markets trending upwards.
Bang, bang, pop up like a long gun. You made me dream, making no noise. Get ready to turn up with the big boys. Live fast, die young, that's my choice. Get money like an invoice. You can love all in the whip. Make the money, make the grip. I'll be stunning with my click. Get it faded till we trip. Man, I love to get on, and I love to get so on. When I drink it too strong, when I treat me way too strong. Get it faded, turn up, rap, pull it on up till I can't even think no more. Get it ready to go dumb, then go more dumb, then we can keep it lit, let's roll. I love to get to one, let's roll. I love to get to one.
Guys, this is our final attempt, and it's also a pullback entry. And I'm loving how this is turning out. Oh my god, sorry about that, guys. Let me see, type congratulations to Marisol. 3 attempts are fully locked in, and by just respecting market structure and patiently waiting for moves to happen. We don't chase the market, we wait for moves to come to us. Let me see, type congratulations to our participant, and we all know how we do it. Everything goes to the everything goes to the participant's account right away. Healthy wisdom, good afternoon. How to control fear. I feel like that is the greatest psychology problem most traders face. I've also faced it. I'm not going to lie. I've faced it. And surprisingly, guys, when I was starting out to trade, I honestly never used to fear the market. But you start fearing the market the moment you test losses. And by losses, I don't mean, I've been trading, I take about 3 losses from the market. Yeah, from my trading session, I mean the losses that blow your account. Those are the most crazy losses you can take, and they are really going to damage your psychology. But one thing I can tell you, if you're really consistently showing up in the market, you have to know that fear will go out. The other thing I can tell you about fear, you can start trading. If you blew your account and you're at a psychological level whereby you fear the market, you can start with trading small and you just keep on increasing as you're getting better with the markets. Okay, guys, this is a continuation pattern. Continuation entry. Market been moving upward, crazy, but damn, oh my god. Sellers are closing all candles against me. Sorry about that. Let us refund and try again. Yeah, when I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. The other way, guys, to deal with fear, it is simple. You should know trading. You, as a trader, your mindset should be fully locked in on understanding that trading, you should have a probabilistic mindset. That means that you can never get 100% from all your trading session. That's why risk management is important. And once you execute an entry, you have no control of what happens. But you should also, when it comes to trading, there are moments when we execute entries when everything aligns with our strategy, but the market continues to go against you. So if you know that, you should never hesitate to execute because you don't know what's going to happen next. That is the point of having a probabilistic mindset, and risk management is going to help you that a trade may go against you but doesn't take out your account. Those few things are the ones you can use to control your fear of the market. A probabilistic mindset. Because when it comes to trading, not every time the market is going to close in a plus, even when you are right. Okay, let's see. Guys, I'm taking another bullish entry because the market is still bullish and my bias is bullish. Oh my god. My buys are invalidated by such low momentum. Open up those gates to your heart. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. Okay, guys, we are on to our final participant for tonight, and we already have a movement in our direction. Are you seeing this? Just one attempt to go. I've been waiting for the day. That's it like a cookie. That's it, your body cooking. But I just don't like to be lonely. Don't let's spend the night alone. Don't let's spend the night alone. guys, let me switch up. Congratulations to Barbara. 2 attempts are in. 2 attempts are fully locked in.
Girl, make the matter no go cast, so I'm up on your body, do the dash, so girl, something where you guys know. Girl, I love your body, baby, pass, so play it on your body like piano. Baby girl, I love your body, pass, so oh, oh.
Girl, I'm making you wait.
Girl, I can really make you sweet. Baby girl, I like your body.
This is a trading assembly, guys. I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Make sure you mark your attendance on time. And you know how we do it. You're always here to learn. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options Broker. There's a link down in the description for it. You can write to me anything. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram. Write to me anything. Join my trading community. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram channel. Feel free to join. I also have a Signal group. All you have to do is to create an account with my link. Write to me via Telegram with proof, and I'll surely add you to my Telegram Signal group. You be crazy. Alright, guys. I love you so much. We catch up tomorrow again, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Bye. Good night.